Hello and welcome to COM 336, Communication and Organizations. It's Dr. Spates here giving you some information for your oral presentation for the final project. A few of you have asked us some of the questions, so I want to make sure that everyone is on the same page. So I just have a quick recap here that I'm going to give you so you have the instructions and know what my expectations are for sure. So I have a little blurb that was in the syllabus about this 3 to 5 minute video that you were going to do for your final project, and I just want to give a little bit more detail than what's there. So let me just bring up these bullet points. I'm just going to let them sit there. You can watch them now, or you can finish the entire video if you'd like. So about the presentation, I'm looking for each of you to do a 3 to 5 minute video where you're going to be requesting the $1 million for the investment into the organizations that you have created. So what I want you to do with these videos is I want you to sell your organization to me based on the decisions that you've made. So we've covered a lot of topics this semester. We've looked at leadership, diversity. We've looked at approaches to the structuring of an organization, organizational cultures. We've talked about conflict. We've looked at things like hiring processes and socialization. So your organization should have statements that have talked about how you're going to set up and run your organization based off of those things. I want you to request $1 million. So in your video, you should make sure that you are asking for that amount of money. Please don't forget that. Also, tell me about your organization. Give me a little bit of synopsis. I know some of your logos already. I know some of the information that you're doing, but give me more this time. So tell me, what is your organization exactly doing? Tell me what they're about, what the operation is, and highlight some of the choices that you made. So tell me about some of the things that you're proud of. Is it the way that you socialize people? Is it the way that you structure leadership? Is it the way you make decisions about certain things? Is it your organizational culture? What are the things that you have decided your organization will have that make it special? Finally, tell me about why it's worth the investment. So why should I give you this $1 million? Several of you are going to be asking for this. There's a whole class of proposals. So why do you deserve that $1 million investment? Okay, so keep it a quick, short video. Make sure that it is up to presentation standards. Remember, this is a communication class, so all of your presentation rules and regulations should be in full effect. You should have the utmost standards for yourself for presenting this project. That is very much a part of the evaluation and grading. So not only should you have good content, but the delivery of your presentation should be excellent. If you have more questions, feel free to send me an email or write them in the discussion page, but I hope this helps you along as you prepare for the final stages of this course. Good luck.